Have you ever entered a pig farm and was unable to take your hand off your nose for a second? This is how bad your pig farm can smell if you are careless about your pigs. Let me share simple ways you can keep your pig farm from bad smell. 1. Clean it at least twice in a day if you are using cemented floor type. Sweep off all debris and poops that can bring in houseflies. 2. Make time to wash your pigs. Bathing pigs as well as scrubbing the pen is something you must be doing regularly if you are using the cemented floor. And then 3. Raise your pen roof very high to allow the air current in the surroundings to blow through your pen. This can take away possible smells in the pen to keep your pen freshened. If you are close to other pig farms, raising the roof without protection can also be a danger in case of airborne diseases. And then 4. Give the right amount of feed to your pigs to avoid having leftovers that draw in rodents and other organisms. Rodents, aside having that bad urine smell, they are potential vectors to some diseases. 5. If you are practicing the IMO system, replace your materials as quickly as possible and at the right time. The decomposing bacteria used also have their efficiency limit. Once that is reached, they cease to decompose fecal matter in the pen, and the buildup can cause a disease outbreak within your farm, as well as causing smell. 6. Improper waste disposal. Dumping your farm waste close to the farm breeds unbearable smells when the wind blows them towards your farm. Designate a suitable disposing area further from your farm. How do you discard dead piglets? Is it very close to your farm? Do you dig deep enough to bury them? Are you sure dogs within the area cannot reclaim them? These are all steps you can use to have a farm where you can even have your lunch on. Subscribe to the Pig Farmers University.